I decided to make my password incorrect because if I type it in wrong, my computer will remind me, your password is incorrect. What does an air conditioner have in common with a computer? They both lose efficiency as soon as you open Windows. What did the spider do on the computer? Made a website. Where is the best place to hide a body? The second page of a Google search. What did the computer do at lunchtime? Had a bite. Yo mama is so fat that when she sat on a laptop, the hardware turned into software. Why are conspiracy theories like moon landings? Because they're all fake.